And now, tied at one apiece. Kate Woodhead gives it. And almost for Matt Henning. So ball possession goes to the Sports Florida Kings, and I believe there's so that's going to be a mandatory substitution. Sports Flooring GK thinking that one in. Look at that, muscling his way through. That is Renzo Competente. And an offensive foul is called no baskets, says Irish Sanon. Tied at 2, 9 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. That's Renzo. This is that one. Matt almost loses the ball. Matt had a good awareness there. And good cleanup for Renzo Competente. Axel hands it over. Renzo with the spin, with the fake move, and Mario by Michael Claudianes.
Shot!
And that's a lead. The ball possession goes to Sports Flooring Kings. Kings has the ball. Oh, good extra pass, nice fake, and good take, Midwin and Kojo. Forty-three is the score, and there was a foul. Here we go. Quarter 3. Correction. The player earlier was Aaron Rosoga and Edwin Antonio. Of course, our priority here in Vivo Crazy Basketball Challenge 2 are the safety of our players. Keep my peace, keep my peace. Oh, nice fake by Cade, and Cade drives short. Look at that effort from Matt Henning. However, MJ Liaga's nice pass to Aaron Rosoga, making his life easy inside the paint. Look at that crossover, hypnotizing the defender there. Aaron Rosoga gets the foul. We started last July 21. This is the last game for the entire Vivo Crazy Basketball Challenge 2. And look at that friendly bounce for Adamson. Aaron muscling his way through against 2 white jerseys. And that's a 2-pointer, no-go. It's his own miss for Matt Henning. Oh, lucky brain, lucky bounce. Except for the shot, there was a foul on the floor. Substitution for Adamson.